Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give a like and some comments. And now let's begin. So now the first thing to do is to start our project. All we need to do is to simply go to this plus button, and from here it will allow us to create our first project or to simply create any project. So we click now. You can either start using some footage that you have, or you can already start recording from here. And here it will take you to your camera roll, and then you will be able to start recording with your camera. So let's just go here, and I'm just going to choose this video that I have, and simply we will be needing to go to captions so we can add them. And as you can see in our tab here or our menu, we will find that there is a button that says captions. So from the captions, we will be able to go to captions so we can add them. So let's just click on it. And as you can see, it will start generating captions based on your video. And it will just use some AI tools to start creating your captions. And from there, you can edit them. So as you can see here, I'm able to uh, modify them, edit them, do whatever you'd like. So you can click on them, and from here you can change the font, change the colors, and also change the styling of your captions. And also on the editing panel, you will be able to start changing the position of your caption so you can make a better video or to make them visible and so they cannot be here in the corner or anything else. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.